So we're gonna be doing a little review on the iRobot Roomba, the 960. Purchased December 2019 and doing really strong still. Check out what it's got in. This is just like a day, an average day of cleaning. Not bad. So, honestly, it feels like this thing makes dirt because it cleans up real good. Every time you got a big pile in there, and I don't even see that coming out of my house, so it's pretty good. It's durable. My kids sit there and ride on it. It's been through hell and it still works great. Replaced the rollers and the brush a couple times, but overall it's really nice. Helpful a ton. You just pick up all the big toys from the kids and the animals and stuff like that and let this thing do its work overnight or when you leave. I think it's worth it.